goes. Let me do this. So we're gonna with this race car.
So, você ganhou esse race car no Christmas Day in July, yes? So this was a Christmas Day in July gift. And Kawan was given this Lamborghini Sesto Elemento.
Sesto Elemento.
Uh-huh. And he's going to open it.
Well, Sesto good. Thank you. I get to take a lot of things.
Wonders. Wonders.
Take mine.
Pull the whole thing out.
Ooh, yeah. Look.
Wow. And it has a remote control.
They're gonna never know when this window. I feel it. And you cannot open anything but it's a robot car. You cannot open anything because it's a robot car.
Yeah, it's a remote control car.
He's saying robot car.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the robot
I'm trying to
car.
get
What
the remote
is this?
control out. Oh, it's right here.
Not there for what?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't size that one. It is doing it. I'll do the other one. I'll do that one.
It's hard.
I'll do it.
Wow, it's really
No,
hard.
I am.
Okay.
I'll do that size.
No,
I'll be able to do it.
no.
Just hold the box. It's hard. The other way, Lola.
No, this is a robot car.
Oh my.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a robot car.
Okay.
It's
And
down
to
the
the
bottom.
remote control, which is
Look at that.
Okay, he does not open anything. Nothing
Look
opens.
at this robot car.
The door doesn't open.
remote control.
Yes, it does.
It is a remote control car.
Yeah, and there's a robot.
Oh my goodness, this
No,
is
remote
hard.
control cars are not robots.
Wait.
Hold the
The
box.
head is a person.
Hold the box.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Look. Look.
Mm.
Number 3.
Okay, but I think it needs battery.
Hmm.
Let me see. It doesn't come with battery. Okay, so that's the car. It's pretty cool. Doesn't really do.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have to put battery and play with it later. Hey, thanks for watching.
Watching. Bye. See you for the next video.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.